Hallöchen liebe Freunde, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. Welcome and thank you for joining. I'd really like it if you give my video thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel so that more people can get to see me. That would really be helpful to my channel. So for all of you who have subscribed to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for supporting me. I'm so very sorry. Oh my god, it's been like over 1 month, I think, at this point, since I have uploaded anything on this channel. So I thought, yesterday I had quite the fascinating experience and I would like to share this with all of you guys. And I said, okay, I know I'm busy with my master thesis right now and I have no time to record videos or edit, but this week at least you can have a video from me and know that I'm still alive. Look guys, I did a new hairdo for the summer. I have some jewelry. I really love it. I don't know, maybe you guys like it too. Let me know down below. Let's interact and chat in my comment section. By the way, I always try to respond to all comments that I get. So let's jump into this video and tell you what happened. I have never looked at myself as one of the pretty girls. Nothing to do with my confidence, because people who know me know I have always been such a confident person. Even when I was a tomboy and I didn't know nothing about no makeup, I was always very confident. But if you asked me about myself, I would never say beautiful me. No, I would say more I'm loyal, I'm caring, I love to talk, I like to interact with people, and I like to be of help to people whenever I can. If you are Kenyan, you know that when people of Caucasian origin come to the country, or for example if they go to areas where there are not so many white people, people really stare at them for so long. So this is one thing that I have experienced in Germany about the staring. Yesterday I had some of my Kenyan girls come to visit us and we had some bayerisches Essen, Schweinebraten und Kartoffelsalat, Knödel und Rotkraut. It was like a sauerkraut kind of thing. That was lecker, lecker, lecker. So we decided to go out and have some ice cream together and we went to this Eisschnuppe. I'm very, very lucky to have come to such a big city with open-minded people, and there's so much to learn from each other. It's really fascinating. But what happened yesterday is we were walking through the streets and we were eating ice creams. So people who know Kenyan girls from the Western Kenya and Nyanza, Kenya, so two of the girls are from these two subsequent counties. And as you know, they are well endowed, flat stomach, very well defined hourglass shape, and some nice behind, if you know what I mean. So we were walking and people would just stare at us and smile at us. It was so it was so fascinating. There were two guys in the car who would slow down the car completely at a bend just to stare at us, and it was so entertaining. We were laughing so hard for us because it was so funny. Can you imagine, like, people really slowing down their car just to stare at you? And I know some people would say, oh yeah, how is it rude to stare at people? But I think sometimes you can sense people's energy. It was almost like they are looking in awe of these girls, because it was a group of 4 girls. One day I was walking from work in Nairobi and I was wearing a skirt. It was a little bit above my knee because, you know, in Kenya you don't dress like super short clothes loitering around the city. People look at it with a frown almost. So there was this guy, a tout, you know, like conductor in a matatu, this private public service vehicles, and this conductor went, oh, madam, uko na miguu refu kama tu giraffe. Like, hey madam, what long legs, just like a giraffe. And I felt so embarrassed, uncomfortable, because, you know, he shouted it. And if you know Westlands, like the Westlands stage, you know, with all the cars going to Lavington, Kawangware, those sides, like people are just so full in this place, and he just decided to exclaim about how long my legs are. I will post a picture here of a photo of me yesterday so you guys can understand what I mean by long legs. My legs are extremely long. So guys, I can really tell you, since coming to Germany, my self-esteem has shot through the roof, not in a more narcissistic, self-obsessive kind of way, but more in just, I'm so confident in my skin. Like, I have always been confident, but my coming to Germany, I'm much more confident, because ever since I was young, my parents always encouraged my confidence. But here, people really compliment me so often. I can just tell you about one experience. I was in the bus, and this older lady just came to me and said, "Hallo, Entschuldigung, du bist wirklich, wirklich hübsch. Ich mag dein Tan. Like, you're so pretty, and I like how your skin tans. You know, in summer, there's just a way Black people, we are just sun-kissed in summer. It's just, there's just something about the sun and melanin. It's just special. I know that even white people like how they tan in summer, but I really, really love how we look in summer glow." So this lady just came and complimented me, and then I get so much compliments about, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful. Wow, I love your teeth." And it's just very encouraging, because I expected, me coming to Germany, I expected people would be more irritated by my skin tone. I did not know so much about Germany and the diversity that existed here, but I knew with my confidence I will survive, because I've never been one to be bothered too much about people thinking I'm pretty, because it's just nothing I ever thought about as an important thing. But now I just feel so, like, I've just jumped into my who I am as a lady, and I really love myself. I like looking into the mirror much more often, because I just see now what others are seeing, and I appreciate that the German people over here, you guys have made me feel so pretty, more than I ever felt before, and it's just a blessing. So I wanted to share with you guys something positive, given the times that we are living in right now, and there's a lot of negative vibes going on, but I wanted to share with you something positive, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this kind of melted your heart, and it made you laugh a little bit, and it made you imagine what I was talking about. Vielen Dank für Zuschauen. Thank you so much for watching. Bis nächstes Mal. Till next time. Tschüssi. Bye. Remember, always be kind and choose happiness.